Welcome to Generational Wealth. In this video, we will go over the market maker versus the retail trader perspectives. So what I mean by that is their thought process, their perspective on this market, on what they're doing and what's really happening versus what the market maker is doing versus what the retail trader is doing. So you have to understand and know which direction the market maker is trading at and which direction the retail trader is trading at. So now we know the market maker uses certain methods such as the M&W formation, weekly cycle structures, the daily cycle structures, stop hunts, etc. And we all been to the retail trader side previously learning how to trade in the Forex market. So we know what they look for, pretty much trend lines, support and resistance zones, higher highs, higher lows, and, plenty of indicators as well to help them get a perspective. So on here, I actually put on a marker indication here for both. So the market maker will be this blue color, and then the retail traders will be this red color. So I'm going to pretty much show you a perspective on what's happening just with these two indications with arrows. So remember, the blue represents the market maker, and then the red will be the retail trader. So now keep in mind when we trade, our session breaks, keep that in mind, because I'm not going to necessarily draw any vertical lines to represent New York session or London session, but just keep in mind at the bottom of the time, we'll see the time, of course, when that time we would actually enter as trading with the market maker strategy. So first thing, let's start right here on this Sunday Monday. So this Sunday Monday here, we go into Tuesday, even Wednesday. What do we start to see? What do the retail traders start to see? The retail traders are buying, right? Retail traders are buying this. Retail traders see it's an uptrend happening. They identify trends. So once they see this trend, they're buying this. They're in for the buy. Now, the market maker. The market maker, on the other hand, look what day it is. It's Wednesday, Thursday. You know what that means? Midweek reversal. So the market maker, as they continue to buy, pushes the market down to sell. Going against. Now, retail traders, what do they do? And remember, they're buying. Retail traders buy off of support and resistance zones. So that's exactly what they're looking for. So of course, this is a zone right here. So what they're doing, they're buying. Retail traders are buying, right? They're buying that. What is the market maker doing? Look what day it is. Sunday, Monday, high, create the high. Tuesday, versus off the high of Sunday, Monday. Remember that's Sunday, Monday, high or low. Crossing over into Tuesday, Wednesday. Market maker pushing it down. This is the thought process. So I want you to understand this ordinary basics right here of seeing this happen, seeing the manipulation, seeing what the retail traders are doing versus the market maker. Once we get on, of course, they get induced here, of course. So that you have to understand the market maker have to let the retail traders make some money. They got to make some money, otherwise they wouldn't still be trading. They would, just eventually all quit. People wouldn't keep trying this shit. So they have to let them make some money. So now what we get here, a new week, Monday, Tuesday, we crossing over. Like we got some consolidation. Of course, we get this strong push up, so the retail traders are most likely in for buys at this area. So they're continue to buy most likely around this area. And then what do we get from the market maker? A push down. Push it down. Once the retail traders finally get the whiff of, oh, okay, it's a downtrend going on. So now, once they identify that, this is when they get in at this. Of course, where do they get in? At the support resistance zone. This when they get in right here at this area. So market maker allows them to get in, so we can take their money real quick. Let them in. Of course, that's when they got in. Right there. Market maker originally pushed it down, gave them an opportunity to see. They seen that push down, come up and retest because they trade support and resistance. Wait till it breaks the floor and then become resistance. That's a sell. So you get in. They get in on the sell. Look what day it is. Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday low. Look at the highs and lows. Remember, market maker off the highs and lows, M&W formations. And then what you do, push it up. Push it up. Oops, and change. That's the market maker. Push it up. Retail traders see, okay, it's an uptrend. We need to get in on the uptrend. So of course, they get an opportunity to get in. Of course, they buy, they trade off support resistance, so they'll buy off of that. They'll get in around here and buy. Wednesday, Thursday, midweek reversal. Retail traders push it down. The market maker side, push it down. Get them an opportunity to get in. Retail traders gets the opportunity to get in right here at this support and resistance. Market maker pushed it down. Retail traders identified that, oh, this is a downtrend. It's a downtrend, guys. We need to be in sell mode. So now they're selling. Once they wait for the break of support, comes up, makes a ceiling, sell. That's where they get in at. The market maker allows them to get in, though. That's what you have to understand. They took their money up here. They stopped putting and taking their money, hitting their stop losses, and now they have to get an opportunity to get back in, right? Ride the wave with them, ride the wave too, with the retail traders. They're gonna ride the wave with you. They're gonna ride the wave too. So right, look what day it is. Wednesday, Thursday, midweek reversal. Once they get hip, once we let them retail traders get hip to get in on the trade, it's time to let them keep selling. They're gonna keep selling. They keep selling around these areas. Once they see the support and resistance zones, they selling. They in sell mode. So retail trader, market maker, then pushes, push against them. push against them. Now they see, oh, it's an uptrend. It's a, I mean, they buying. We need to buy. We need to buy. So they try to get in here. They buy here. They buy here. You know, they buying at these areas. And then what happens? Start off the week. Start to drop. They get in on a sale. Let me change that. They get in on a sale right here. Then midweek reversal Wednesday. Of course, off Tuesday low. Market maker pushes up. Market maker pushes up. After starting off the week with a downtrend, remember retail traders look for the start of the week. They want the start of the week because they trading Sunday, Monday off the rip. They're not waiting till Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday to trade. They're trading from Monday. So once they see this, they start to sell. They start to see this. They're in sell mode. So if you're curious why they're in sell mode now, you will have some retail traders buy here. You know, buy. But you see what happened. Of course, we know to buy here because of the simple fact that Tuesday, Wednesday, midweek reversal off the highs and the lows. Wednesday, of course. But they're buying because they see this support resistance zone. So, of course, retail trader pushes, market maker pushes up, pushes up, pushes up. Oh, retail traders catch on and they say, oh, it's a buy, we need to get in. This is where they get in, right here at this little pullback. They get in at this little pullback. Thinking they finna catch something. Remember, they wait for the breaks to the high. So they wait for this to break, this high. Once it broke right here, some got in here. Some retail traders got in here. The rest that had their limit set got in once it broke up here. Remember, this is the hour time frame we're on too. So this probably was up there. This apparently it was up there for hours. So you know, this was on a 15-minute time frame. This was multiple candles. It's just chilling up here. So of course that would have induced and manipulated a lot of retail traders to hit stop losses as well before the market maker decided to push again. You know, push again to the downside. To end the week, start off the week again. What do we see? We start off the week again. Oh, it's an uptrend. It's an uptrend. You know, retail traders get in. Time for them to get in. They're buying. They're buying, you know, right here. They're buying right here. You know, they're buying. So they're in buy mode. Come Wednesday, Thursday, look what day it is. Thursday, midweek reversal. After they're constantly buying, they're buying. They're even buying right here. They're even buying right here. That's the crazy thing. They buying. They trade. That's what they're buying. So if they continue to buy, what happened? Push. Market maker. Push. As you see these M and W formations, though, right, happening, and you see which direction the trend is going off the second legs of these. This is happening nonstop. It's nonstop. So same thing. Retail traders see this. Oh, they get in like, oh, it's a sell. It's a sell. Place your support and resistance line. They get in. Oh, we got in, guys. We got in right here at a sell. Yes. Another opportunity to sell, sell, sell. So they're selling. Look what day it is as they selling. Look what day it is as they selling. Wednesday and Thursday. Midweek reversal. So once they get the opportunity to get in right here, and all right here at these little opportunities, the retail traders, they get the opportunity to sell. They get the opportunities to sell, and then market maker, push. Take their money, push the opposite direction. So I just kind of wanted to go over the perspectives of what's really happening in this market. I hope this kind of clear things up. You have to understand that the market maker is uh, using a certain method formation that's going off of. It's going against the retail traders. What they're teaching you on the internet and Google and YouTube, majority of these education companies, these big education companies, is teaching you the basics of what you can find anywhere on Forex. That's not how you particularly trade Forex. You have to know the market maker method. You have to know the strategy. You have to dig deep and dissect more into it. They're not going to tell you everything on how to exactly trade. Most of these companies is going based off marketing network, where they're not teaching you the exact trades. Or if you're following the educator, he just has a basic strategy he's teaching that works for him. They're still not teaching you how this market moves, the basic way of how this market is moving, and that is the market maker method. So I hope this kind of clears up. It makes a lot more sense on the perspectives on how the market maker trading versus the retail trader. So it's good to know both. That's the thing about it. You want to know both. You need to know how the market maker is trading, and you need to know how the retail traders are trading in order to trade against that. So that way you know what not to do. Of course, we came from that. We all came from the retail trader aspect at a time, so we should know what not to do. We just have to remember to see the obvious and identify it when we're trading what the retail traders are doing.